Do you want to make money online and to be your boss? Interested in making passive income, but you don't know anything about how to make money online in 2022? Well, you are not the only one here. Millions of beginners want to make some money online, but they are unable to do so just because of the lack of guidance. If you search this term on the internet, you will find thousands of methods to make money online, but what if I say most of them are scams and never going to pay? So, welcome to Tech and Beat channel. Make sure to watch the video until the end to know all the tactics of making money online in 2022. But before we start, we need to know why you should consider working online rather than normal office jobs. Reason number 1. Flexible working hours. If you have chosen an online money-making platform, there is one significant advantage, which is time flexibility. Having the flexibility to work when you want or need might seem like a luxury. The good news is that you can have both. Online money-making platforms are flexible enough to match your schedule, so you are able to work when you want or need. Reason number 2. Flexibility of location. One of the most significant benefits of making money online is that you can do it from anywhere. With the global reach of internet, you can make money online from any location. It doesn't matter where you live or what language you speak. There are millions of opportunities for making money, and people from all around the world are getting paid to do things like take surveys, test products, and much more. Reason number 3. Less expenses. If you compare the expenses of an office-going person and an online money-making person, you will find that making money online is much cheaper. Studying at home is less expensive than going to school. Similarly, making money online will cost you less since there are no additional costs involved. You don't need to have an office in the house to work remotely. Making money online saves you time and money since your transportation expenses are also saved. All you need to do is decide on the best location in either your home or somewhere else and then get started. Reason number 4, which is the most important reason, limitless earning potential. You can absolutely choose how much you want to earn in passive income, and there is no limit. Yes, there is no limit. So it's always up to you to set your own goals. Passive income is one of the most attractive benefits of starting an online business. The idea is that you earn money without any ongoing work, but the reality is the passive income is not as passive as it seems. Online earnings give you the advantage to make more in just a month than what others can make in an office in a year. So without wasting any more seconds, let's get started. Number 1. Starting a blog. Blogging is one of the most powerful and popular ways to make money online. Professional bloggers and influencers are making big bucks from their blogs. Decide the niche you're most interested in and start making money by blogging about it. When you decide to start your blog, you are faced with 2 options. Either make your own CMS or go with the easiest software to use, which is for sure WordPress. So now your blog is up and running. So just start blogging. There are commonly 3 main beneficial methods to make money from your blog: Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored contents, or selling your ebooks. Number 2. Starting a YouTube channel. From setting up an account to uploading videos, making money on YouTube is very straightforward. You can easily create a YouTube channel in just a few simple steps. First, sign into your Google account and select the category for your channel, then share videos on a regular basis. Next, you will start to notice an increase of likes and subscribers. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel, you can apply to use YouTube's monetization program. If your YouTube channel adheres to the terms of service, then it's likely to get monetized. The YouTube team will review your account and give you the green light when everything seems to be in order. Now you can place ads on your videos to get paid for every ad played on your videos. So the best way to make money from your YouTube channel is through monetization. However, there are other ways you can make money here too: channel membership, sponsorship, super chats, merchandise, or donations. Number 3. Become a freelancer. Freelancing is a viable option for many who are looking to live their lives on their own terms. Even though freelancing is not the same as being employed, there are still some things that you need to know in order to become a full-time freelancer. You can find freelance jobs all over the internet. Simply search for freelance postings on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, or even on social media. Some of the best ways to get started are by following LinkedIn profiles of influencers in your your industry. If you have personal website, you can also post your services online and reach out to people who may need them. Freelancers are usually paid on per-project basis, so there is flexibility on how much or how little work you want to do at any given time. Number 4. Launch a digital product or course. Creators of digital products and courses have a lot of advantages when it comes to making money online. The traditional way of publishing books, magazines, and course materials is not as effective as online courses or products nowadays. It is possible to sell digital products without dealing with the overhead cost of printing, storing, and shipping physical goods. This is also true for courses because you can offer them on your own website instead of enrolling in a course at a school or a university. You don't need to go to a university to have an online course. Digital products are easier to distribute than physical goods because they can be downloaded instantly from anywhere in the world. You can even create digital courses that are delivered over the internet rather than requiring students to come into your classroom for lessons. This makes them more accessible too. If you are good in a particular domain like graphic design, digital marketing, programming, or any other topic, you should create a digital course in the form of a PDF, video, ebook, or an audio. Number 5. Start an e-commerce website. E-commerce is a form of electronic commerce that can sell products and services over the internet without needing a physical location. This business model provides an opportunity for small businesses with limited resources to compete with larger companies by offering competitive prices and rapid turnaround on delivery. If you are planning to open an online store, you will need to learn about your options of getting your goods online. With the development of e-commerce stores, it's easier than ever before to sell products without having to worry about physical store space or inventory. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and to stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get all my updates. Stay safe and goodbye.